Discover the MAYJAM 20 Bottles Essential Oils Kit, now available for just $10.84. That's an incredible 32.99% off. This set features 20 versatile 5-milliliter bottles, including favorites like lavender, jasmine, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. These oils are perfect for creating custom blends that can elevate any space, whether it's your cozy living room, tranquil bedroom, or invigorating yoga studio. Imagine filling your home with the calming scent of lavender after a long day, or energizing your morning routine with the zesty aroma of sweet orange. With a stellar 4.8 rating from 57 reviews and 299 sold, this kit is a hit among essential oil enthusiasts. Users rave about the quality and versatility of these oils, making them a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their environment. Just a quick reminder, these oils are for external use only. It's important to keep them sealed and stored in a cool, dry place, away from children. If any irritation occurs, it's best to stop using them. And for those who are pregnant or nursing, a quick chat with a doctor is always a smart move before diving into the world of essential oils. Transform your space and elevate your mood with the MAYJAM Essential Oils Kit. Whether it's for relaxation, focus, or simply to create a pleasant atmosphere, these oils have got you covered. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Grab this Essential Oils Kit today and start your journey to a more aromatic and soothing environment. Imagine the possibilities: diffusing calming scents during meditation, creating a refreshing spray for linens, or even blending oils for a personalized massage experience. The options are endless, and with this kit, it's all at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of essential oils and discover how they can transform your daily routine. With the MAYJAM 20 Bottles Essential Oils, the power of aromatherapy is just a drop away. Elevate your space, uplift your spirit, and enjoy the benefits of nature's finest scents. This kit is not just a purchase. It's an investment in well-being and tranquility. Grab yours now and start blending, diffusing, and enjoying the aromatic journey ahead. Don't let this opportunity slip away. The MAYJAM Essential Oils Kit is waiting to help you create a serene and inviting atmosphere in your home. Transform your environment today.